Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at using lofts in the form workspace. So this is a intermediate level video, assuming that you know how to create planes and sketches, etc. So we're going to start off with a basic sketch over here, and we're going to put a rectangle and finish the sketch. Then we will create an offset sketch from the YZ plane over there, and we will create a new sketch on that plane. We will then project the rectangle from sketch 1, and we will then offset that rectangle to make a smaller one over there. Right, that's our two sketches done that we're going to be working with. Right, let's go into the form workspace. So we're going to create form. Now we're going to look specifically today at using the loft. When you use a loft to go from this sketch to this sketch, the first thing you're going to see is that there's actually 4 individual bodies being created. Let's close down the origin, and if I say OK, you will see that we've got 4 individual bodies, which is very difficult to work with to join all these sections together. Right, so we're going to Control Z to undo that, and we're going to do a shortcut little tip that I learned this morning while trying to find a solution for somebody else's problem. Is we're going to stick a perfectly straight line through the 2 sketches. That's now a 3rd sketch, and you'll see it actually goes through those sketches. Right, and here's the interesting thing. When you choose loft and you go from that surface or that sketch to that sketch profile, you end up with the overlapping sections. But if you choose the center rail as that horizontal line, then all the edges match. Now that was a neat trick I learned this morning. Now you'll see here that we've still got 4 bodies. We need to join these bodies together, and there's no combine option in the form workspace. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the merge edge function. With merge edge, you've got 2 groups, group 1, group 2. So we're selecting group 1, we're going to double click on that line, and you'll see it selects that line, which is the side of this body. So we've got 4 bodies here. We've got body 2, let's get out of that. We've got body 2 is at the back, body 3 is at the top, body 4 at the front, body 5 at the bottom. Right, so we're looking to join the edges of body 3 and body 4 together where they meet over here. Right, so again, we go to merge edge, we select that line will be the edge of one of those 2 bodies. I can't tell you which one because it doesn't tell me. But the second edge that we're going to select, we're going to select the same area. Now it's not selecting the same edge of the same face because that's already been selected as group 1. What it's going to do is select the edge of the other face. So if this yellow line was the edge of the top face, the second one that I select is going to be the edge of the front face. Right, so there we've got 8 selected cells on group 1. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got 8 selected cells on group 2. And let's say OK, and you'll see now that these 2 have joined, and we now reduced from 4 bodies down to 3 bodies. Right, so body 3 is actually combined the top and the front bodies together. Right, let's go through and do that now with the other side. So we're just going to right click, repeat the merge edge. We're going to select that as group 1. For group 2, we're going to select the other edge that's hidden underneath there, and we say OK, and it's joined the 2 together. Right, now on the bottom ones, what we're going to do is we're going to keep the squareness of the connection, and to do that we're going to turn on maintain the crease edges, and we click on OK, and you'll see it has joined it, but it's kept it as a sharp corner, as a sharp joint. Right, and the last one that we need to do, because it hasn't been done yet, is the 4th edge. Although we've only got 1 body, these 2 edges are still disconnected from each other. I can actually show that to you if we use edit form and we select that there. You'll see there's the gap there. You can actually see right through the part. Alright, so we're going to cancel that, and we're going to So we're going to merge edge. We're going to select that edge. The others will be the other edges meeting there, and we're going to join those two. Right, now if you try and move that one's cell, you'll see it all moves together because it's now connected. Right, perfect. So now we've got a single body. We can now select things on that body. We can edit the form, and you can do anything you want with this particular body now. Right, if you finish form, you will see that your form body will change now to a surface body. Right. Why is it a surface body? Because it's open top and bottom. It's got no thickness. It's literally zero thickness, like a invisible sheet of paper. Right. It is there purely to give you the form. So as a surface, you can go into the surface mode. You can thicken, choose that body, and you can say I want to thicken it by, in this case, -2 millimeters. It's going 2 millimeters inside. And let's say OK, and then let's do a section analysis, and you will see that we've got a 2 millimeter wall thickness now on that part. Right, let's say for example we wanted to close off the bottom. We can then delete that thicken. Let's go back into our form workspace and edit that. Right, we have a bottom edge. We're going to double click on the bottom edge so it selects all the way around. You see it's all yellow. Then we're going to go to, there it is, full hole. The full hole, you are left with maintain crease edges. You can turn that on or off. Off gives you a rounded connection, and on gives you a sharp edge connection. So we say OK, and let's turn that round to the other side. Double click on the edge, right click, full hole, and that one's filled. Now when we go out of the form workspace back into the solid workspace, you will see that we now have a body and not a surface. Why do we have a body? Because this body is now solid inside. Let's just reduce there. We turned on our section analysis. Okay, and that's what we've learned using the form workspace. Thank you.